Okay, variables.tf
Okay.
and the backend.tf.
Now this is like ECR Elastic.
Elastic Container Service.
Okay.
So do remember while working with the Jenkins, we pushed the image into the Docker Hub, right? Here Docker push, right? Here we have a registry, right? Docker
Okay.
Hub. Here we can able to push right images. Here these images we can able to push right. Zomato.
Yes.
We pushed. Do remember we
Yeah, one project, complete project, Zomato project we worked, right?
instead of using Docker Hub, AWS they have a service called ECR.
Okay.
On that ECR, we can able to push the images, Docker images.
Okay. In the sense from this Docker repository hub, we will be pushing images to AWS. That is through ECR.
No. How Docker Hub providing to push the images, same like AWS is giving one service called ECR. So we can push the images into the AWS ECR. How we push the images into Docker Hub. Like that, we can push the images into the AWS ECR. If you want to push the images ECR, we need repository. To creating repository, we are using the Terraform.
Oh,
For
okay.
pushing images, we will use Docker only.
Okay.
Here we are creating infrastructure. Okay.
ECR is a kind of platform now.
ECR is a kind of service in AWS will provide to store the images.
Okay.
Docker images. How Docker Hub is providing to store the images like this, AWS also will get the like this
Providing
only.
the.
If you see AWS ECR, same Docker Hub, AWS ECR, that's it.
Okay.
This Docker Hub registry, this Docker Hub register private one. We have another Docker Hub that is for the public Docker Hub to use the public images. But this is my Docker Hub. I created account.
Your own.
This is my own account. But coming to the Docker Hub public Docker.
Paid, right? Paid version, right? What you are using your.
No. So we can create the open source only.
Okay.
But in open source, they will give the one private repository only. CPC repositories. I created so many repositories. Those repositories are public.
Okay.
Here as well. How you created? How can create the repositories in the GitHub? Na same like can create the repositories here to push the images on that Docker Hub. We can store the code, but here we can store the images.
Okay.
In Docker Hub, you have right account to Docker Hub pushing your code.
Yes. Yeah.
Same like this is the Docker Hub. That is the GitHub.
Okay.
This one GitHub.
Okay, but what's the difference for using private and public? Like, see,
What is the in the real time they will use only private repositories only here. If you go to repositories now, these all repositories are public. See, all are public. But public means not required pull the images with the secrets. Directly anybody they can push this image.
Okay.
Anybody they can able to push this image. Because this is the public one. I pushed it as a public because I pushed this image into the public repository. I created repository as a public. But in open source, they will give only one repository to create private.
Okay.
Here create repository. If you go to repository, create repository. Here it will ask
Hmm.
public or private. If I select private
Hmm.
now, okay,
Hmm. Okay.
only one. I think already I created. If I create, it will throw an error. Or if not there, it will create.
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
it is not there, right, it is created.
Hmm.
This is the private one.
Okay.
But anybody they want to push inside image now, they need my credentials. They
Oh,
want to pull
okay.
this image
Okay. Hmm.
now.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. They require your credentials because
Uh,
it is the private one.
If
Okay.
if I try to create another private, it will not create. I will show you because one only they will give.
Hmm. Okay.
See, I will show you private. See, it is
Hmm.
not actually even it is not
Okay. Now it is
showing to
not
select.
allowing.
So,
Okay.
but
Okay.
in the
So
real
one
time,
person, only one private things can be created,
in the
not
real time,
multiple.
they will use only all private only.
Hmm. 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 But everything, if we give private, so every time how access, I mean, see, they want your credential, right? For every private access,
That is the
whatever.
organization, right? So they will create users.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
As of now, here only one user. They will create the users.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
I think this is the public one, right? There is no option, I think, to create the users. So they will,
Hmm. Hmm.
in the real time, they will get the access by using the
Hmm.
LDAP. They will integrate the LDAP and on that
Hmm.
LDAP while joining in the
Hmm.
project now, your details will
Hmm.
store on the LDAP. That LDAP they will integrate here.
Hmm.
Automatically, you will get the access to Docker Hub.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
But if they are using AWS, they will not use Docker Hub to push the images. They will use
Okay.
this service. Create here as well. Create
Okay.
repository.
Repository, that ECR service.
They will push the images to in this ECR, not Docker Hub.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That's what now I am telling how you can create the
Hmm.
repository. Once you create
It is.
repository, I will
Hmm.
create one server and I will push the images to ECR. I will show you.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Resource
Hmm.
S3. Resource. I think. What is the name? So, I don't know the configuration that I will check it the backend
Hmm.
S3
Okay.
syntax.
I mean, that same, right? HashiCorp document, how we will
Uh,
take.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
this one.
Okay.
Already another file is there, but I am not taking this
Hmm.
one. I am taking from internet.
Okay.
Already created, right? Backend in another folder.
Which one? S3.
Uh, Not VPC we created, right? Inside VPC we created backend as well, right? Previously.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That is
Yes,
there
yes,
that
yeah.
code, but I am not taking that one. I am taking from internet.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the new code, what you are taking.
Uh,
Okay. inside VPC also there is a code for this one, right? So you're not
Hmm.
taking that, you're telling. Okay. Mm.
And it is not accepting the variable, right? Here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you observe
Okay.
previously it is not take allowing, right, to add the
Mm-hmm.
variable in the backend. Do you remember we added why if we added the variable here now it is not allowing, right? Hello.
Yeah, Arjun.
Uh,
I think that's what last time we trying to call through variable, it was not accepting, right?
in the
That
backend.
is
In
what you are
other
telling.
places is
Mm-hmm.
other places it is accepting, but only backend it is not accepting the variable.
I also got the same error. I also
Mm,
did the same way how you did. Just to
uh,
know,
that's
I
what.
it came as error only. It was
Mm,
showing it backend. It is not able to accept calling the variables.
mm. Okay. Now I will create the S3 bucket with my name. Okay. S3 there is no more cost. Okay. You can keep it my bucket same like don't delete it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is the worldwide unique.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, understood. And if there is no proper naming, it won't allow to create as well. I have
Not
seen
proper
that
name,
naming
unique,
convention.
unique name.
Unique name. Mm.
If someone is consuming this one, it will not create.
Mm-hmm.
This is the bucket name.
Okay. This is now new bucket you are creating, right?
For the
Everything
state file purpose,
state level. So,
because while creating the any
mm,
infrastructure, Terraform will create one
mm,
state file, right?
correct, correct. Okay. Mm.
I told you that state file is the Terraform mind. Whatever
Yeah,
it is
yeah,
Terraform
understood.
trying to
Mm,
create, it will store those details into in this file only. Based on this file only,
mm.
it will work Terraform.
Yeah, yeah, understood. I mean, you told heart, mind, all.
Hmm.
Both are like similar. Yeah. So Terraform basically works all from that state file wise only, right?
Hmm.
Whatever we store everything in the state file, it will check from there and it will
It will try to create or it will try to delete.
give it.
If you run the Terraform desktop, the changes are already created. It is already there in the details in the state file. It will delete.
State
If the
file,
state file is empty, it
delete.
will not delete.
Hmm. Uh-huh.
Okay. Now I added the
Hmm.
Terraform backend S3 bucket key region. Bucket is the bucket name. Key is the folder name. Any name you
Hmm.
can give. This is also can give any name.
Uh-huh.
Every folder we need to
Hmm.
create one file inside the state file.
Okay. This key is the
Key is the
not the
path
secret.
of the S3 inside S3 bucket.
Hmm.
It will create this path and this file. This is the folder.
Hmm.
It will create this
Okay.
folder
Hmm.
and it will create this
Hmm.
file, state file related to this
Hmm.
folder, ECR folder.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'm telling now, every folder it
Hmm.
will create one
Hmm.
state file. That state file we need to specify one unique name to identify this state file is related to
State
this
file.
folder. That's what you
Okay.
can use.
Okay.
This one is the folder common, but while
Hmm.
adding the file name, we need to specify the
Hmm.
identifying which state file related to which folder. That's what I
Okay.
given the ECR.
Hmm.
See this
Okay.
in this folder, whatever you created, those details it will
Hmm.
store in this file. Whatever I highlighted, this state file it will store Terraform
Okay.
in the
Okay.
S3 bucket. It
S3
will
bucket.
create the
Okay.
Arjun.class folder. Inside class folder, it will create the ECR-state file. If I try to
State file.
create any other
Hmm.
folder now, I will use same folder, but I will change the file name.
Okay. 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 Got it.
Hmm?
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Hmm. Now provider.
Okay.
This one also I don't know. I need to First the internet.
Understood from the script. Okay. Yeah. A provider AWS followed region name. Wanted to leave the details.
The AWS provider.
Mm.
Okay. Anyone, you need to go to official document only.
Okay.
This is the one.
Okay. Yeah.
Our region, we are trying to create a
Mm.
resources where
Mm.
AP
South one.
one in Mumbai region. We are trying to create a
Mm.
resources in the
In
whatever you
mm.
providing this region here now,
Mm.
whatever you are
Mm.
creating resources, those resources it will
Mm.
create inside this region.
Okay.
Okay, this is the provider.
Version and
Hmm.
okay. Source and
AWS
source.
ECR version.
Okay.
So here you can create the variables.
Okay.
Type is equal to string.
Yeah. The default will be
Default is equal to AP.
the south one.
Now instead of using order in the providers, I will use this one.
Okay.
I think am remembering it is a we
Uh,
got issue on provider or we got an issue back in
the
UTC.
thing is, actually, when you gave it as a variable, right? In the place of there, we were calling through as an region. Somewhere it was telling that we can't
Issue.
call out like this.
Yes, exactly. In that's
Exactly.
what
Yeah.
back end or provider we don't know. We will see. In the provider I given variable only.
Why I specifically remember that is I faced that issue.
Mm,
I took at least 15-20 minutes to understand. Okay, I'm seeing your video only. I'm doing still why it
mm,
is getting error like that. I saw.
mm.
Then I understood. Okay, the calling out variable it is not taking for this back.
Okay, back end means it will work for provider.
Mm.
We can give any repository name
Mm. This is for ECR repository. Now you are creating, but you are giving like
as a
names
variable.
inside. Uh, But now will it take that as a variable in the backend or not? We have to cross verify now, right? One more step. You are
For
calling
now,
through variable only, right?
I no. I added
Mm.
directly hard coded in the backend,
Mm.
but in the provider I added a variable. We'll see while running. We will
Okay.
see.
Okay. Okay. Mm.
Okay. This one will give underscore.
Mm.
Now we need to search for
Yeah.
ECR.
It's a ECR code.
Mhm. This is the public one.
From HashiCorp, won't we get those documents?
We will get everything. We will get.
Mm.
This one.
Mm. Oh. Even in ChatGPT, we may get, right? But we should give the naming convention properly, like what we are finding
Exactly.
and
We will get
fetching
that.
for the code.
So, what is this now? Image scanning configuration true means whenever you push the any new image in AWS, automatically it will scan. We will get the reports. It will show the vulnerability in the AWS ECR. If you give true, if you give false, it will not scan, but it will push the image only.
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
image scanning configuration scan and push means whenever you push the image, it will scan the AWS whatever we pushed the image into in this repository.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we need to provide the variable.
Okay.
This is the name, right? Variable name.
Okay. Okay. In the sense that is the repository name, right?
Exactly.
But you are calling through like a variable, correct?
Exactly.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Image tag immutable. Okay, that is the standard one.
Okay. So just the naming we have changed. That's
Mm.
it. Rest of the things it's the same.
Mm. Here you can give any name.
Okay.
Any name you can give. That is the logical
Hmm.
name. Wherever
Hmm.
you want to get related to this uh,
Hmm.
resource, we need to use this
You
one.
just give
Right,
that name.
AWS
Okay.
underscore ECR dot my ECR dot ID dot
Uh,
ARN. We will get like that.
yeah, I have another doubt also. This complete name, is it required like AWS ECR repository or just if I'm
This
give
is
like
required. This is required. This is the standard
hmm.
fixed syntax we need to give.
Okay, well, suppose if I give only my ECR, that it won't work.
Oh, it won't work. It should work here in the right side. It should not work
Hmm.
here.
Hmm.
After resource,
Okay,
we
so
need to give the exact name, whatever there in the documentation.
okay. So the first thing is the standard one. So
Ah,
whatever it is there, like
ah,
that only.
mm,
Next,
mm.
what it is there, we can rename however we
Rename.
want.
That is also you can give
Ah,
any name. This is it will create a repository with
okay,
this
while
name.
calling also, we should make sure this first name is properly given, followed with the next name. If not,
Exactly,
that
exactly,
that resource
exactly.
it won't
Calling.
take.
If you want to get the if you want to
Hmm.
get these
Hmm.
resources in any other places in the
Exactly. Exactly.
that
That
time
is
into
what.
AWS underscore ECR underscore repository dot
Repository
my
dot
ECR.
my. Okay.
Dot
My
I dot ARN dot name means you will get
ID.
this one.
Okay.
Dot image tag suitability means you will get this one.
So what I thought na, so somehow this line we are giving with the our naming convention of my.ecr, right? So
Mm.
rather than giving everything, why can't I give just my name ECR? It may take off
You
like
can
that.
give any name, it will work. This one. No, this
Mm.
will work and this will not work.
Exactly.
Mm.
That is what it was.
Okay. Now we will run the init
Mm.
Terraform init.
Okay.
How it is working? My laptop to your AWS account. Tell me.
Uh, because we are already connected with the key pair names, right?
Access key secret key. Already I
Hmm.
configured your
Hmm.
AWS account access key secret.
Yeah. So it's one time, right? First,
Mm.
once we
One time it
run.
will store
Ah,
in my laptop
mm,
somewhere those credentials.
those primary and
Mm.
secret key.
Mm. If I run the again Terraform configure with
Mm,
other changes, it will replace to your credentials to other person credential.
So in my system also now I have my own
Mm.
access key and
Exactly.
secret key now.
Mm.
I mean, my access secret key already it's there in your system,
Mm.
but again when I created, I have taken other access key
Exactly.
and privacy,
But
right?
same
So
account.
So
Mm.
both of us were able to access through our laptop with our credentials.
Exactly. That is the reason.
Mm.
Not our credentials, because we are
Mm.
not used the as
Mm.
a IAM user, right? We used the root user credentials. This is the root
Correct.
user credentials.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
This is the root user. But in the
Yes,
real
yes.
time,
Mm-hmm.
we will not get these credentials.
Okay. I mean,
We need to log in with the IAM user, not root user. While logging, do remember it will ask, right, root user or IAM
yeah,
user.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I
That
remember.
one.
I
In
mean,
the
every
real time,
time we are going with the route only
mm,
for this things, but
uh,
every time we never go with the route in the real time.
exactly.
So either I am user we will create, and
Mm,
through that only we will access.
yes. Okay, completed. Now I will run the Terraform validate.
Another doubt is like, see, you are using my uh, credential, everything only, but secret key and that access key, both, it's a different. So both of us were able
No, no,
to.
no, no.
Uh,
Same root user only, you generated, me generated. You can able to generate multiple credentials with the same user as well. You logged in the
mm,
root user. I also logged in the root user.
mm,
I generated
mm,
a credentials. You also generated credentials. That means
correct.
one user they
Mm,
can able to generate minimum three. But is the
there is a limitation. Okay. Next,
but that
one
is
more
the
person can
limit.
use. Mm.
That is a
After
limitation
that,
for
it won't allow us to access the
create
same.
it, not access it. If we see,
Mm,
if you go
mm,
to here, security credentials, na,
mm,
if you go to security credentials,
mm,
see, both we have two. One of the one
correct.
you are using
Mm,
another. But if I
mm,
try to create again one, see, it is disabled. By default it is allowing to create two credentials only. See,
okay.
now if I
Okay.
try to
Mm.
create, it is not accepting. See, it is disabled.
Okay, okay. Okay.
If you want
Only
to, you
mm,
can delete any another one. I can
one
create it.
and we can create. Okay.
If
There
you
is a
delete this
limitation of
one,
one.
na, it will not work. I think I created
Okay.
this one. You created this one.
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there was another secret also I deleted. Like my
Hmm.
practice sake, I have simply created one. Then
Hmm.
I thought multiple, if it is there, it will be a
Hmm.
confusing thing.
That
But
is it.
if I were using as a root user, then we should use as a root user only. Like we can't go like I am user and you can't use as a root user like that. Will it work?
No, no.
Like
What?
one
What?
person. Uh,
Tell me. One
I'm saying
person.
now one person will go with the root user.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, like suppose you are going with the root user,
Hmm.
then I will go as an I am user
It will work.
rather
Both
than
it will
going
work.
with it will work.
It
Okay,
will
okay.
work. But in the real time, no one will use root user. No one will use.
No, my doubt is either we can go as a root user also, we can go as an I
No,
am
you
user
can go
also.
root user also. It will work. You can go with the IAM user also. It will work.
Access key, private key,
Ah.
it will work
So
based
it will
on.
work. Na.
Mm,
If you go to
mm,
users, na, here
mm,
see Jenkins. I create one user,
mm,
right? If I go to this user, you can generate this user related access the secret key here. See security.
Okay.
Here you can create
Mm.
the
Yeah, yeah.
create. So that means
Mm.
this currency is related to Jenkins user, not root user.
Okay, okay.
Like that, in our real-time
Mm.
organization, you will get like this option only. You will go to your
Mm.
your name and you can
Mm.
able to generate
Mm.
your credentials here.
Okay,
Or
okay.
else,
Mm.
if you log in already with the
Mm.
root user, right? Even if you go here as well, it will show your credentials only. But it is a root user. If you click
Okay.
on here, it will
Mm.
create root user. But while logging the IAM user, if you go to the security credentials, if you create it, that is
Mm.
credentials related to IAM user credentials only, not root user credentials.
Okay.
So if you log in the IAM user, if
Mm.
you go to here and if
Mm.
you create it here,
Yeah.
now these credentials is related to
Mm.
IAM only, not root. But if you log in the root, if you go
Mm.
to here,
Mm.
this is the root only. But
Mm.
if you log in the root, if you want to create a
Mm.
secrets to the IAM
Mm.
user, here we need to go to
Mm.
users and select the specific user and create the credentials to
Then
this
create.
user. Here.
Okay, okay. From the root, everything is possible, but if I go with I am user, then I should go like as a user, then we have to
Uh,
create
uh,
and
yes.
create.
But if you are logging with the IAM user only, if you create here as
Mm.
well, that credentials related to IAM only. your specific
I
user only,
understand.
not rootable.
Not for the root.
Mm.
Okay.
But
Mm.
this is the admin, right? That is the reason we have two options. You can generate the admin credentials, or else you can go to user, you can create the credentials.
Credentials. Okay.
Mm.
Got it.
Okay? Now, okay. Now I will run the
Mm.
plan.
Yeah. Plan spelling, I think. PLE.
Why my system is not
System,
working?
yeah, I think uh, it's what it was hung in between. I thought maybe you are changing it, so I was just viewing the screen.
Okay, one to add, because we are only
Mm.
creating resources one only. If you add the how many blocks you add resources, that will consider at a one. If you add in the
Okay.
same file resources section two, it will show as a two.
Okay.
Resource means
Okay.
one change.
One change. Okay. Here, suppose in the same place, if you give another resource and
It
if
will
you
show
divide,
two.
then it will show two plans.
Because you are creating two resources in one file.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Who can create n number of resources in one file as well, no issue.
Okay.
But to identification purpose, we will follow the separate one.
Okay.
But in the real time, they will use so many. For example,
Uh,
consider na
mm,
creating ECR
mm,
repository. If you want to create another
mm.
repository, I will copy paste. I will change the name.
Name, that's it.
Hmm.
Mhm. So it will be like two repositories got created at a
Exactly.
time. Mm. Rather than individually creating, we can
Hmm.
create in same code multiple
Hmm.
times.
After creating in the future, if you got na, we will copy paste and we
Mm,
will change the
mm,
variable name. We will create new
mm,
variable and we will add it here.
mm. Okay.
If you want to create new one, na, I
New
will
one.
copy this one and
Mm,
I will
mm.
paste it and I will change the variable name. I will create new variable with I will give the some other name here. I will copy paste this one.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I will show you. Okay. Now it is created,
Ah,
right? So
okay.
now if you go
Hmm.
to ECR,
Here, there should be one ECR creation.
see?
Okay. Okay.
So
Inside
as
that,
we created
mm,
only, but we are not pushed
mm,
any images. If you want to push now,
images.
this
Mm,
CSCD will push here. Now I will show you manually. I will build the
mm,
image and I will
mm,
push to here.
mm. Okay. Okay.
How we are pushing in the Docker Hub
Okay.
previously.
But you told something that variable, na? That's something I not understood.
Ah,
You are
so what
clearly.
I will do now, I
This I
will
not
create other
understood.
one. Correct. I will create another ECR repository. I will
Okay.
copy.
Mm,
I will paste it. I will
mm.
change the another variable like
Okay. Mm.
why it is not working my right
I
side arrow
mean,
mark.
it's a bit slow, maybe that
No, right
like
side arrow mark
key.
not working.
Okay. For me, in the screen, I will able to see bit late. The things changes what you're doing.
Hmm. Okay, I am
Mm.
changing with my name.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
changed the variable as well. If you use the same variable, it will
Mm.
not work, right? I given this
Mm.
variable. Uh,
Mm.
Now I will create another one. I will copy.
Okay. So
I
you're
will
creating another resource
yes.
now.
and I will
Okay.
change the variable
Hmm.
because I create another variable, right, to get this
This
name.
is nothing but another repository we are creating.
Exactly.
Correct? Okay. The resource is same, but we are
This one also,
expressing
if you
the
want to
name.
can keep it same
Hmm.
also, no problem because it will change, right?
Okay.
This will change,
Hmm.
right?
Somehow
But
we are already calling with the same,
no, we
no?
can
So,
change this one as well. This one, but it
okay,
will
the
work. But
name.
we need to use the different. It will work if you
Okay.
use same one as well.
Mm. Or else we can rename that as well.
We need to rename. But why rename na? For example,
Mm.
if you want to get the
Mm.
ID means if you to use AWS ECR registry,
Mm.
my ECR, we will get this one
Mm.
or this one. We don't know. I think we need to change
Ah,
this one as well.
okay. That there will be an confusion if there are
Uh,
multiple. Better to change with the name so that at least
some
we'll
name.
get it.
Uh,
Mm.
so if you want to, for example, I will show you. I
I
will
think
create the
in.
output variables.
Okay. For better understanding that both output what we got.
No, output means to if you want to see the any created
Mm.
values, you can
Mm.
specify here and it will show.
Sure. Okay. Okay. I think
Uh,
you have did that before as well.
mm, mm, mm.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember.
I don't know. I need to check the syntax.
Okay. I mean, if we call out multiple resource, how we have to give
Not
that
multiple. Even I don't know the syntax of the output variables.
output
I
give.
forgot.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Input variable, local variable, output variable.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Okay.
So I want to print the repo name.
Mm. Mm.
Repo name one underscore
Okay.
one. So this name,
Okay.
this one, right? Dot.
The variable dot id.
Not ID. Name, right? We need name.
Mm.
Here we're not. Oh,
Given. Okay, okay.
we're not given now. No, we are expecting to print name.
Only name. Okay.
Dot name.
Okay, understood. If it's we want ID, then we'll give it as an ID.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Description can give any description. This is the meaningful description can give any name.
Understood. Okay. Like for naming our understanding purpose, we are
Hmm.
need to give the description.
Now if I run, it will create another one.
Okay. So there in AWS, it will create another one. Here output we should see duplication output.
I used two, right? I need
Same
to
name.
give one, two.
Repo name. Okay.
Uh, Here I need to give two. It will not work. Same.
Understood. Same. Right. Okay.
Hmm.
Same names. It won't understand.
My ECR.
Mm. I think in this line something that is white, right? That code. Mm. Value ECR name here, repo name you are given. Something the difference, I guess, right?
No, I given same
In
name
the
here.
code.
No. That's what it is telling. I told you, right? Uh,
Okay.
but
One or
previously I
two
told it will work
something.
same, but it will not work same name here.
Okay. So something you can give ECR one or two something so that it will
Uh,
take it as a different. Okay.
yes. This one only we need to.
Number also we can make it. Na? ECR 1, 2, 3 like that it won't take it.
Yes, you can keep it like one. Also, it will work.
Mm.
If you give one number na, iPhone one.
Mm. Here one and this as two something like that. That will keep it as two so that.
Here I need to. We need to change right again.
Change. Yeah. And even next. Yeah, here.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now it will show two ad or one ad.
To add because we changed, right?
No, one only,
Name.
right?
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
if
Plan is two now, right? Because
why it is showing two?
everything we changed to, right? There also
No,
we
no, no,
changed
no,
the
no. No, we changed the name. Now it is trying to destroy and recreate. That's what it's trying to see.
That's what the previous one will destroy and it will create with the ECR one name proper new one, right?
Exactly. But
Mm.
this is the logic name. We are not changed the actual
But you
repo name.
come for way this thing.
See,
Here you also we changed, right?
we change the logic. We are not changed the actual name. This is actual name, right? But even if you change logic name also, it is recreating and deleting,
Okay.
recreating.
Mm-hmm.
We are
Means the old
not,
one is
see, it
getting
is there
deleted with
same
this new
only.
one. Hmm.
Name same, logic name we
Hmm.
changed.
Okay, now how it is did it is like just old one deleted and new one it is created or
No. Yes, old one only because due
Hmm.
to we changed the logic name, not name. This is we will
Hmm.
call it as a logic name. Due to
Okay.
change logic name, it is trying to destroy and recreate same one.
Okay.
So it is trying to destroy and create same one, same repo only. But it will destroy and it will recreate because of we changed the logic name.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Okay. Okay.
If you keep it this one same now, it will try to create
Mm.
only this one. We changed
Okay.
the logic name. First it will delete the this one only, same one only. It will create same name
Mm.
only.
Okay.
See, that's what
Okay.
it is showing. Destroy.
Okay.
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 Now, if you want to see the
Mm.
ARN, okay. If you want to see
Outputs.
the ARN,
Mm. Mm.
Control C,
Mm.
Control V, huh? You can
Mm.
give ARN here instead of name
Name. Okay.
ARN.
That is the repository, CRN, something you told
Repo
it stands for.
ARN.
Uh,
No, ARN means Amazon resource name, right?
resource name. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
So you are telling like we need a name along with the ARN number.
But ARN number it will not show in the plan. After apply only it will show because the ARN
Mm.
will show after
Will
creating only we will get right.
I know, I know. It will show known as something later after plan applied. It
Uh,
will give that numbers, right? I
exactly.
think previously also you told the
Hmm.
same thing.
ID also we will get like that only.
Correct. Yeah.
Now if you see after apply it will show those two variables.
Two enables. Yeah, got it. Now it will just show it is creating, but it won't show the number.
See after apply after
Known after apply. Yeah, yeah. That is what I'm.
now we will run apply.
Mm. Creating something error.
Okay. First we will run the desktop.
If you destroy, it don't. Everything are we destroying the code?
One second.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You gave refresh and.
I given refresh. That's what it is changing now.
Okay.
So
It's changed the repository name. What we made the changes.
yes,
That is
but
what
it
you are
because
saying.
we are not changed the name. We changed the logic now. Now if you run the Terraform apply, it will create one only now. If you see plan now, one only.
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
Now it will show one only. Refresh means it will update in the state file
Got it. Got it. The thing
because
is, just
we
we change the name. That's it. We are not
logic
changed
name,
anything
not
else.
name, logic name.
Logic.
Hmm. See,
Okay. Got it.
that's what we
It's
need to
nothing.
do.
Nothing but just refreshing that so that it will take the name what we have
Whatever we
just
change, it will
changed
update in
there.
the state file.
Before it thought it is another name, it is try to
Hmm.
create that one, right?
Exactly. Now, if I run, that's what. it is not
Mm.
identifying. Already state file it is showing same name. It is not
Mm.
deleting. That's what I did the
So
refresh.
it was creating as an another one new.
But already
Now
there.
already there. So once you give refresh, now
It is
automatically
updated.
in state file it is updated. So
Exactly.
obviously it will get
Mm.
understood. Mm. Okay, got it.
Okay. Now it is showing 2 ARN.
One plan only. Mm.
Apply,
There
apply.
one plan, but apply to
One plan why it is showing already previously created. That is the reason it is showing in the plan previously.
wow.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Now we will see. We will create one EC2 instance. Okay.
Okay. Now we have created there just an ECR repository. It
Mm.
is empty. We have not pushed anything. Now we are creating instance.
Mm. I will create instance. I will uh, login instance. I will install the Docker. I will build the
Mm.
image and I will push the image into in this repository.
Okay. Okay. Mm. Instance spelling INSTANCA.
Mm.
Will it take instance spelling INSTANC, right? Will it take automatically? TAN. Yeah, yeah.
Why it is not showing that instance?
The previous also not sure. I thought maybe because of the spelling mistake, there was no N between there.
Instance.
Yeah, no, before it was
But now
C
also
was
it is
there.
not showing, right?
It's no, not showing. That is what I am also asking. Automatically it will pop up, right? So why it
Hmm.
is? So is there any
We will see.
code-wise anything?
We will see in the documentation.
Okay.
AWS underscore instance, not EC2.
Mhm.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. That is
Hmm.
what if something is there, automatically it will pop ups there,
Hmm.
right?
So this is the dynamically getting one
Mm,
AMI, but we
mm,
not required. We will
mm.
add our AMI ID which.
Uh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will use the another type instance. I will use this one.
Okay. This AMI ID
C7I,
from here only you have
C7I,
given that. Okay.
C7I,
Okay.
C7
7. I
I hyphen
that my
hyphen
flex large. Flex large.
flex
Mm,
dot large.
large. C or M. Okay. Flex start.
No, C only, right? Oh, M only, M only.
M. Yeah.
I think C other one.
Next to that it was maybe C.
Hmm.
I think yeah. You have selected.
Oh, C.
Yeah, C. Okay. Top. It was C and then down. Okay.
We select the M, I think, right? This one.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
M I7 only, right?
Correct.
M7I flex dot
M7
X large.
flex. Mm.
And we will use the key.
AMI number you given from there only.
Hmm.
Okay.
Key name only, right? Why it is not showing?
Key key pair. Mm.
It should show the pop-up.
I
Why
mean
it
it
is
should pop up. Yeah, I know. Key pair name or key name something. It was similar those. I think we can check from your VPC folder also, yes, right? They're also given,
Hmm.
right? VPC.
Key
Key
underscore name only.
underscore name.
But why it is not showing pop-up?
Maybe now
Ah,
it came. This is key pair name, right? What you are giving
ah,
here.
ah,
You have given as a puja, but
ah,
I have given as Jenkins. Whatever I have
ah.
given, that I
Hmm.
should give.
Yes.
Okay. Last time again, this also I did mistake. I gave like puja only. Then I remember in my key pair name I have not
Even if
given
you
that
give puja also, it
puja.
will work your side as well.
Okay, I thought something and I deleted and I recreated that
Hmm.
time. I guess I told you. I guess that.
Because if in the remote available, it will work.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am doing apply. It will create EC2 instance.
Mm-hmm.
And before, and also, what I did apply, right? Oh, no, no.
Some.
Oh, if you want to can print the EC2 instance ID as well, like this.
Okay. Okay.
But already we applied. Also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now go to instance, it will show. Okay. Allow all.
Okay, one instance got created now, EC2
Hmm.
instance. Now we have to push the image.
First we need to build the image, push the image.
Okay. So you are getting inside of that instance now, EC2
Hmm.
instance.
Hmm. Why we are getting error, I think. Tell me.
Instance, now why you got error you are telling? Huh?
Why? Tell me. While accessing, I am getting error because
Yes.
in this
Hmm.
instance we are not added the security group to allow the SSH.
Okay. Okay.
While
Mm-hmm.
creating EC2 instance, here
Hmm.
we need to provide
Hmm.
the group
Uh,
here we need to
hmm.
provide the SSH port
Hmm.
as well. We are not provided
Okay. Okay. Okay.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Hmm. Okay.
we need to create the security group,
Hmm.
or else we will add exist one by. If you see instance, right?
Okay.
If you go to
Hmm.
instance, we can
Hmm.
go to that specific security group. We can add it. This is the security one.
Okay.
It is there all traffic. Why we are getting this shit? All traffic already there.
Okay. Even okay, while selecting the EC2 instance, you have given which one? Default. I mean that Flame 3 Flex Large you selected, right?
Oh, Krishi, this is added
Mm.
only specific
Hmm.
security group. We
That
need to
is what
use
I'm telling. While
anywhere.
selecting there, maybe you not given the
No, I
existing
haven't.
one, I guess. Hmm.
No, I haven't did this one. This is created by the AWS Terraform, or I don't know who this is created.
No, usually while creating the instance, there only will go with the existing
Yes,
security
we are
group,
not
right?
provided. Now it is working. See, I
Hmm.
added the SSH
Uh,
port.
but last time everything ports added and those things we not deleted, right? So maybe now new
N-
instance which we created that time we not went with the existing.
No, we are not used the existing security group. Okay,
Mm.
It is created in the default security group.
Okay, okay. Mm. Okay. Docker we are installing.
My keyboard is not working for that one. This one you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um,
AG Docker dot. Yeah.
I am adding the
Mm-hmm.
user mode. Adding the root user to Docker group.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now Docker info.
Mm-hmm.
So now working. Okay. Now I will
Mm-hmm.
clone. Now I will run. I will install the
Yeah.
Git.
Mm.
I want to clone my repository
Exactly. Got it.
because if I want to build, I need code, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I want to build the image, I need code, right?
You are, yeah, got it. And here you will clone the repository, right?
I will clone repository.
Mm. Git clone followed by the
Hmm.
repository name.
Hmm.
Means this is the GitHub repository.
Hmm.
Oh, correct. But from Docker image we are pulling, right? So is
Not
that
Docker
image?
image, right? I will create image by using this Docker file. I need this
Oh, okay,
Docker
okay.
file. I need this code.
Understood, understood. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Yeah.
So I am
Mm.
cloning the repository
Mm.
for the source code. On the source code, by using source code, I
Mm.
will create the image.
Okay.
Okay, if you see, it is their source
Mm.
code, it is their Docker file as well. By using this
Mm.
Docker file, I will create the image.
Image. No.
Docker
Okay.
build
Mm.
-t, and if you want to push the image, first I will.
Mm.
If you want to push the image to
Mm.
AWS ECR, we need to
Mm.
follow the standard naming convention to build the image.
Okay, okay.
If you want to build image, you can give any name. But if you want to, after
Mm.
building, if you want to push the image,
Push the image.
uh, here we need to. If you go to repository, we will get the
Mm.
directly comments as well.
Oh, okay,
Uh,
okay. Mm-hmm.
not only this one,
Mm.
even if you go to
Mm.
Docker Hub as well, we need to give
Mm. Mm.
uh, our Docker Hub account name slash repository name. Do you remember I given right previously? If you go to Docker Hub, this is my Docker Hub, right?
Okay.
I added
Mm.
this name, right? This
Mm-hmm.
name
Correct.
slash repository name. If you go to
Mm.
repositories, if you go to repository,
Mm.
do you remember previously if you want to push the image,
Mm.
we added the in the Jenkins like this only.
Okay, okay. Maybe I'm not able to recall it.
This one, Jamoto, do you remember? We given
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this.
Zomato, this thing I remember, but
Like this we given.
how?
This is the
Mm-hmm.
dark. This is the see. This is the way we given name.
Okay,
Colon
okay.
build tag. Do you
Mm-hmm.
remember build tag 15?
Mm-hmm.
We
Mm-hmm.
given underscore
Something I remember
build
completely
underscore
not
number.
able to recall. Yeah. Okay.
This is the Docker Hub account name.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Docker Hub account name. This is the
Mm-hmm.
repository name.
Okay,
Like
fine,
that,
fine.
we need to, if you want to push the image to registry, we need
CCR.
to,
Mm-hmm.
here we need to go to
Mm-hmm.
repositories, select,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
see, here we have, if you select now,
Mm-hmm.
here we have a comments, it will show.
Okay.
This is the
Mm-hmm.
login, okay?
Oh,
This
okay.
is the
Mm-hmm.
building image, and this is the way we
Mm.
need to, this is
Okay,
the
there
way
is a
required.
standard format like that is how we
This
have
is
to
the
use it.
URL,
Mm-hmm.
this is the, this region URL, this is the
Mm-hmm.
repo name, this is the tag. We need to give like
Okay.
this.
Okay, okay, okay. Now able to get it. Yeah.
See,
Mm-hmm.
this is the URL of the that region.
Okay.
In this region, any repository for not only this repository, other repository also will get this URL only.
URL only.
In this
Okay, that
AP
is a standard
Southeast
URL.
one URL for the this registries.
Okay, okay,
This is the registry name.
okay.
This you can give any version. We will give version 1.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Though,
Mm-hmm.
so how I am telling now, I will go to other one.
Okay.
You will understood. This is also same URL we will get.
Okay.
See?
URL also will be the same.
Ah,
Registry name also will be same. That
no,
version, if
registry will change, right? Repo name change, right?
because two we have created, one and
Hmm.
two. Okay, okay. So now,
If you see,
number is same. After latest, those numbers are same.
see,
55366 URL
see, same,
completed.
right? I told you that
Yeah.
same URL, but the
Mm-hmm.
repo will change like that. So we need to build the image with this name format only
Oh, okay.
while
Got it.
building image.
Okay, okay. Now I understand.
Yes,
For
that. Even
for
Docker Hub also.
even for building, pushing anything, that there is a standard format
No,
that only we should.
building you can build any image, but if you want to push, we need this format. First, you can build any image like this, and you can rename that image, build image into this name. That will also work. Building you
Okay.
can give any name, but instead of again building one name, I need to rename
Mm,
that image name, and I need to push. Instead
mm,
of renaming directly, I am building with that specific name only.
okay, okay.
Here you can give instead of this name, you can give your name Pooja. That it will work. It will create the image, but it will not push the image to AWS ECR. But after that, I will change the Pooja to change the Pooja to this standard name, and I will push it.
Okay, okay.
But instead of creating the some name
Doing
and
all those
renaming,
things
directly I
while
am adding this that same
mm,
name.
later on we can rename it however we want.
If you want, but that's what directly I am renaming the whatever we need. Whatever naming
Mm,
convention we require directly I am building the that specific name only instead
okay.
of after creating some name and doing the some tag we
Mm,
can do the tag. If you want to
okay.
rename the image name, you can do the docker tag and you can give the existing one, you can give the new name
Okay, okay.
docker tag existing
Got it,
image
got it.
name and new image name.
New image name. Okay, okay. Now this is like images getting pulled.
No, creating, building.
Creating. Okay, okay, build, create.
Pulling also it will pull image, but that image is pull from
Hmm.
base image inside docker file. This base
Okay,
image will pull from Docker Hub, public Docker Hub.
okay.
And after that,
Got it.
it will copy the required files and it will install the required things, pip install, and it now it is created the image. Now, if you give
Okay.
Docker
Hmm.
images, the image there. Now I
One
am,
image create.
now I will try to push this image to Docker,
Hmm.
AWS registry. Now, if I
Okay.
want to push the registry, first I need to authenticate the registry here.
Okay. Okay.
Authentication will have a command. See,
Oh, okay.
here itself we have a command authenticating.
Okay.
But if you want to
Hmm.
authenticate first, I need the access key secret key because this server as of now don't have a permission to connect the AWS ECR. This issue to
Okay.
instance. I told you
Mm-hmm.
right. By default, any service they will not get a permission to connect to each other.
Okay. Okay.
This issue to
Hmm.
instance don't have a permission for now to tell me for now
Connect.
to the
Connect with the
ECR.
AWS
ECR.
ECR.
But I will
Okay.
show you what we will get error. We will get error. If I
Okay.
run this command,
Okay.
we will get the error.
Okay.
We will see what it will happen.
What error will get if?
See what it is telling. We need to configure AWS
Okay.
credentials
Okay.
because
Means there is no connection between them
there is
to
no connection.
pull
This issue to instance to AWS ECR.
ECR.
Mm,
So first we have to build that
How
connection.
we will get na
Mm-hmm.
connection? If you create a credentials here na here,
Mm.
we have a credentials, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
Correct. Mm.
I will push the but we need to delete the credentials and do it. Okay, or else I will build here itself. I will clone here.
Okay.
If I want to get the new credentials, I need to delete existing one, right? It is not possible to create again one, right? It is going to delete old credentials. Do you remember? If you see
Got it, got it, got it.
here,
Mm-hmm.
see, it
There
is
is
not.
no. Understood, understood. I asked you, right,
Mm,
this question, how many times, I mean, how many people can use this?
two only.
Hmm.
Two credentials only can create only.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, what I will do now?
Hmm.
Already we have a user, right? Jenkins user.
Okay,
This
okay.
is also
Here.
have a admin access.
Okay.
If you see,
Hmm.
if you go to permissions, I added
Hmm.
the admin permission, I think. No, no,
Okay,
no,
but
no,
again,
not this one.
not.
Okay, I will create another user. Okay, create
Okay.
user, admin user.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
admin user. Provide
Hmm.
access key to console. This is optional. Console means if you want to can log in by
Hmm.
using this user. If you click this one, now, okay,
You
I
will
add.
give that custom
Mm.
password and all those things.
I will use custom password. I will no no
You
we
will
will.
give you the
Uh,
auto-generated password.
I will use auto generated only. We will get the CSV file once you
Pass.
create.
Hmm.
If you don't
Hmm.
click this one, it will create user, but it we will not get the
Hmm.
password to log into the console. But it will
Okay.
work access key secret key.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
you can create the user two ways.
One is
One
either
is you
through
can
the.
create the user without console access.
Okay.
Means that user is available in AWS, but that user not able to access.
Okay. Okay.
Console access means how you are logging in the user, right? Like this.
Hmm.
So I will use console. Okay, for now.
Okay.
Add permissions. I will attach the existing permissions.
Hmm.
I will use the administration access.
Understood.
Full permissions
Mm-hmm.
to
Full
this
permission.
user.
Understood. Okay.
Okay.
Then you create user now.
Uh, See, this is the
So
password.
now the user has
Download.
the full access for with that permissions.
Exactly. So if you want to can
Mm,
log in this
mm,
user credentials as well. But for now I will not log in, but I want to generate the access key secret key this user. Now if you go
okay.
to this
You will
user
here and
security,
give the
create credentials,
access.
uh,
Command
CLI,
line enter.
mm,
Mm,
and give some name.
okay.
See now created.
Now you will get the access key
Uh,
and secret key. This
mm,
access key secret key you will make use to make the connection
uh,
between this ECR and
that
AWS.
means if you
Mm,
configure AWS configure na, this user
mm,
will got the this user this ec2 instance will
mm,
get the permissions by using that user credentials.
got it.
Okay, now if I run the
Mm,
command it will work. Authentication
it
it will
will
show
work.
success.
Mm, because now we made the connections.
mm.
Got it. Yeah.
AWS ECR get login password -region type symbol Docker
Mm,
login username AWS password std and repository URL. This is
got it.
not related to
Mm,
specific repository. See, I
mm,
haven't mentioned the repository name. Means you can push the image to any repository in this region.
mm, In the sense that the region, Mumbai region.
Ah. Because we are not provided see any repo name here, repository name, ACR
Mm-hmm.
repository name,
Mm.
Arjun DevOps,
Got it.
this name.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Oh,
I mean the one which you have saved in the
here I
notepad,
haven't
right?
specified. Here
Notepad.
I haven't specified any name. These names,
Mm.
these two names. That means you
Mm.
can able to push the image to this one, this one. But
Mm.
but but we build the image with this name Arjun. Arjun or
Mm.
which one?
Mm.
1 second.
Getting confused. I know. I think
We build the image with the
astronaut
Arjun only. Arjun only.
Arjun
So
only.
we can able to push this image. But if you want to
Oh,
push the another one, you can rename this name to Arjun to other name. We can able to push the
push
image
the
to that
another.
another repository as well.
Okay.
Now I did the login. See login success.
Okay. There are two repositories, so you can push for the both you are telling by renaming those.
Exactly.
Okay. Got it.
Now I will push the Docker push image name.
Hmm. So now once you push here, that image should get reflected over there now.
Exactly.
Hmm.
V1 tag also we need to provide.
Hmm.
We
Got
build
it.
with the tag V1 only, right?
Hmm. Understood.
See, now it is pulling,
Okay.
pushing, not pulling, pushing.
Pushing.
Hmm. Now if I refresh, if I go to this
Here
one,
we
it
should
should be
see
there.
that.
Images.
That image should be
See,
there. Oh. So this is through AWS to ECR we are pushing. From Terraform code we not pushed, right?
no. Terraform it will create only Terraform will use to create an infrastructure. But in the real time,
Okay.
this image will push CS pipeline will push.
Okay. From Terraform code we are not pushing the image. We
Oh,
will
can push it,
take
but that we
that.
will not use.
Hmm.
If you want, you can push it. That is also possible, but we will not use to push
Hmm.
image in the Terraform.
Oh,
Terraform we will
okay.
use to create repository. That's it.
Okay. So here is now from Terraform, we have created this all repositories. So we
Hmm.
made the connection between EC2 instance and this AWS. From your repository, you have push the images, right? From GitHub, from your GitHub repository.
My GitHub, I
Hmm.
took the code and I created
Hmm.
image in server and I pushed that image to
Hmm.
AWS ECR.
ECR. Okay. Hmm.
Okay. What is the security
Hmm.
group? Security group. Okay. What I will do now?
Hmm.
I will go to edit. I will add the
Hmm.
all
That
traffic already
SSH
there.
rule.
Uh, I
Hmm.
will give the custom. I will give 5,000.
Hmm. Why you are adding this now changes?
I will run the container. This one. This image I will
Okay,
create as a container.
as a container.
Hmm.
Okay.
Docker images. Docker run hyphen itd hyphen name. I will give my name because this recently I
Mm.
created my own way. This entire one I've written my own way. I build
Mm-hmm.
my own application 4 days
Okay.
back.
Okay.
4 5 days back, I
Okay.
created a
Mm.
entire
Mm.
coding and everything.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
I am planning to use this is my custom website.
Oh, okay.
A
Okay.
future I will try to uh, run somewhere. What I will do
Mm-hmm.
now in this
Mm.
application itself, I will integrate. I integrated the my YouTube channel. I integrated the my GitHub and everything. If you
Okay.
see,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
I did it within 2 hours. I did this one
Mm.
by using ChatGPT.
Okay. You are using all your own customized things.
Exactly, and everything custom only.
Mm. Okay. It is all your code and your
Uh,
completely on based on
my
your code you
details
are trying
only.
to deploy my details. Okay.
See if you see, Docker, yes. Now it is running. I will access. We
Mm-hmm.
will see how it will be there.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
In future, I am planning to use. This is my website.
Use. Okay. Understood. Just trying to get inside that.
Hmm.
Okay.
I added my
I
photo.
mean, how everyone are doing their own YouTube channels in
Ah,
that way, but you are making everything available in one
ah,
format, right?
ah. See, I added my description, my photo,
Okay.
and if I click on this one, it will go to my channel.
You should. Got it, got it.
Ah,
If you go for a GitHub
ah,
profile, it should go for your
ah.
profile.
Yes, you can
So
able
go
to
for
also
shopping
access
page
this
means
one.
those people should be able to go to the page and do the shopping.
Exactly. I will show
Everything
you
like you are
now.
creating your own website only.
Website. If I click on this one
No,
now,
not wrong.
see,
Mm-hmm.
it will go my channel, my YouTube channel, and you can
Mm.
access. I pinged in the chat. You can also try.
Okay, okay, okay. In the sense you are developing your own website
Application.
so that application, so that anyone users can use those things.
Yes, exactly. This is the my GitHub. If you click on
Okay.
this link now, it will go to my GitHub.
Mm. So back end code, everything it is built on your own. That is what you are
Ah,
trying. That you took within 2 hours to build all this.
mm,
This everything, image, whatever, everything has its
yes.
own code. So everything you have built on your own.
Mm. If you go to documents, it is
Those should
I
go to
for now
the
I added the LinkedIn. Naukari
okay.
link.
No, Naukri.
If I
Apply
click
for
on that, it will
register
go
for.
to Naukari,
Okay, okay.
official Naukari.
Hmm.
These links I configured in my code.
Okay, okay. Got it. What like Java code or what backend you're using?
Python.
Python. Okay.
This is the shopping. I added the Amazon shopping link,
Hmm.
Flipkart shopping link,
Got Flipkart, my
Mintra.
Mintra.
With
You
this
are
some
so passionate
colorful.
and I mean, you are so dedicated and passionate in learning things and exploring this, I guess.
So if I click on
No
that, it
wonder
will
you're
go to
doing right
Amazon.
now.
See, official Amazon.
Understood.
Mm.
Everything you already made it
These things
available.
I configured in the code.
Hmm. I think that code I won't even see if I see now. I will lose interest on DevOps.
No. This is a less code only. I also don't know.
Oh,
Literally,
you don't believe I don't like coding, so only went for the L1 support. But again, coming back for this, I don't know. My husband also tells the same. When you don't want to go, then again,
the see
what you're
simple
making
code.
my. I don't know. I never understood this programming concept in college as well.
Me as well, I will not understand, but I took the ChatGPT help only.
Help,
But I know how it
but
will work.
exactly. That is
See,
what it is.
dashboard.html. If you open the application,
Mm,
it will show the
mm,
this file related content. This file content is there
mm,
here. See, if
mm,
you go to templates, dashboard.html. So if you
mm,
access this one, so if we remove this one now,
mm. Okay.
this is the dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
This dashboard is seen due to this
Mm,
configuration. This configuration. This one.
mm. Okay. Okay.
See,
Okay.
images. All images I put Docker image, Kubernetes image, Jenkins
Mm,
image, everything.
mm,
That's what here you are able to see. Kubernetes image, Jenkins image, Ansible
mm.
image, Terraform image. That
Yeah,
is the
now I
inside code.
understand something backend it is there, but
Mm.
how it is working, not sure with complete code. I
See,
understood, but links,
my
connections.
GitHub profile. This is the link. I
Okay.
added my
Okay.
link, my GitHub link.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This is the
Mm.
shopping page.
Yeah, you from GUI, it's very clear and very easy to
Mm.
understand. But when you come for the code and how it is interconnected, how it's
See,
working, I literally don't need time.
very powerful Python by using one Flask only we developed this one. Only one Flask.
Mm. Okay, okay.
I will start.